Sup, everyone? Yes, I love to break fighters. My big thing is I like to put them under pressure. I like to really pressure them in the gym to make them crumble. Because then when you build them back up, they're breaking, what do we call it? Their threshold is a little bit higher. And each time they break, their threshold builds. Sometimes, people aren't made for it and they disappear. But most of the time, they take it, they move on, and they get better. There's never anything personal in it. Sometimes they want to get personal back, and that's okay. Like they're in a vulnerable situation at the time. But yeah, you've got to be able to take the pressure. If you can't take my pressure, then you won't take the fighting pressure. But over the years, I was speaking to someone about it today. Over the years, I've had the same recipe all along. And yeah, people drop off. People that probably could have gone on further if I'd babied them. But the ones who stick it out are all strong. They're all better. They're all better humans. They might not still be fighting, but they're doing better in life because they got through the tough times with me. And this person who I spoke about it to today, he actually spoke to me once saying maybe I got a little bit too far with it, but he said the recipe works. He agreed to it today, and that's beautiful. He can see that over time. He's been with me for a few years now, and it's just the game. You're in a pressure game, so the gym's got to be a pressure cooker too. Cook them, make them explode, and then you go again. And it takes a little bit longer next time. And you build them up afterwards. You get their confidence back a little bit, then you hammer them again. Keep that going. Keep that recipe going until they become stronger. Until they're hard to break. Yeah. So another subject which is really important to me, which is a little secret into how I run things. Any more questions about it, you can inbox me on my socials at Team Pinky Muay Thai, or in the comments here, ask me, some of the tricks I'll play to make them suffer and make them break, and then the way I turn it around after that. But yeah, hope this helps some people, especially the people who are in the pressure cooker situation, not enjoying it. Know that it's for the best, and you will grow from it. All right, thanks guys. Peace.